Marketing is something that we know stresses out a lot of people, and we do not want it to be the case for you. So let us take the pressure off of you. Whether you're looking to improve client communications, if you're looking to build a beautiful website or attract and convert new leads, or stand out in social media, or maybe all of the above, this is the place where you can start to stand out. Don't just take our word for it, but I want to show you, some of the reasons why we are the highest rated and most utilized marketing platform out there for financial professionals. Here you can find everything by typing in a hot topic like retirement or millennials and see all of the content. This content library is made with different types of content, where we have web content, emails, social posts, greeting cards, downloadables, and even Curator, where we utilize artificial intelligence to pull awesome content from all over the web for you to easily be able to share. For example, current events, we now know more so than ever before how important it is for you to communicate what is going on in this crazy world to your clients. It's important that they're hearing it from you, their trusted financial professional, and not maybe the uncle at the Thanksgiving dinner table or the neighbor across the street, but from you most importantly. What's even better is that there is compliance built in. So whatever you're trying to share, whether it's from the content library or you're creating a captivated branded email to be sent out, you can always access everything from our one-stop shop compliance corner, where our compliance and content workflows mean that you'll be sharing content in a fraction of the time that it takes. You as a financial professional are always looking for ways to, of course, grow your business, but you need to do so in a way that's time efficient. And so we have automated campaigns where you can toggle these on and off. You can configure them to the appropriate audience and then set it and forget it. We can't forget social and our awesome social strategy and how easy it is to post on social. So you can easily come in, you can create a post, and be able to pull in an image. You can pull directly from some of our integrations with Unsplash, or even pull a design that you've created with our complementary integration with Canva, which is something that turns anyone to a graphic designer in seconds. So you can easily create and share awesome New Year's posts with your branded logo ready to go. And 1, 2, 3, select your social media platforms that you'd like this to go out, and then schedule this post the exact day and time. You are now spreading cheer through your social pages. Planning an event, whether it's virtual or in person, is a lot of work, and we made it easy by handling all the promotional communications and registrations for you. So one, you can come create an event, you can add all of the details, and then you can manage all of your registrations all in one place. So you can select from our collection of pre-built event campaigns like Shred Day or State of the Markets, an open house, and create your own even if you would like. Let's take a look at emails and how they are pre-created, how they already have your logo and your branding incorporated into their design. So let's say I want to share my December 12th weekly market insights. I can preview this email by hitting details, and I can now start to see how that logo is automatically added. It has a nice greeting, and then it is filled with intriguing information and that important financial information that our clients are always turning to us for. Let's say this is an email I'd like to use and send out to my contacts. I come over here to use email, and this is going to give me two options. I can send and schedule this email as is, meaning it will bypass compliance because it has been pre-approved, or I can now edit this email and I can start to add my own to it. Really, our contacts are the fuel that makes the engine go. So we can import our contacts as a CSV. We can add them manually, right? Maybe I just met someone at a networking function. I got their business card. I'd love to add them to my database. I can do so here, and I can also organize all of my my clients by groups. We encourage everyone to at least organize them at the bare minimum of clients and prospects, but I've seen people get very granular and very specific to help with sending out meaningful communications to make their marketing strategy that much more finite. And so you can see these are all of the CRMs that we integrate with today. So we have Redtail, we have Salesforce, we have Smart Office, Wealthbox, and Marketing Pro, and some coming down the line in the near future. We'd love to hear about you and your practice and what you're trying to achieve. You can sign up to get a demo. You can go to fmgsuite.com and come to this top corner and say, get a demo, and we are standing by to help you achieve what it is you want to do.